Hey, stop right there. Before you scroll past this video, I want to ask you something very important. Have you ever needed a day off from work or school, but you had no idea how to write that email in English? Have you ever stared at a blank screen for 20 minutes, not knowing how to start? Or maybe you wrote something, but you were not sure if it sounded professional enough and you felt embarrassed to send it? If you said yes to any of these questions, then this video was made for you. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to write a leave application or a request email in English, step by step, phrase by phrase, with real examples you can use right now. And by the end of this video, you will feel so confident that writing professional emails in English will never feel scary again. So stay with me. This is going to change the way you communicate at work forever. Let me tell you why this skill is so important. In today's world, whether you work in an office, study at a university, or manage a business, you need to communicate in English. And one of the most common things people need to write is a leave application or a request email: sick leave, emergency leave, casual leave, vacation requests, medical appointments, family emergencies. These are real situations. They happen to everyone. And when they happen, you need to act fast. You need to send a professional email that sounds confident, respectful, and clear. When you write a good email, your manager respects you. Your teacher takes you seriously. Your colleagues see you as a professional. And most importantly, you feel good about yourself. So let us begin. I am going to teach you everything today, and trust me, you are going to love this lesson. First, let us talk about the structure of a leave application or request email. Every good email has 5 parts. And once you learn this structure, you can write any kind of leave email in minutes. The 5 parts are the subject line, the greeting, the opening sentence, the main body, and the closing. Let us go through each one carefully. Part 1. The subject line. The subject line is the first thing your reader sees. It must be short, clear, and direct. Do not write long sentences in the subject line. Just tell them what the email is about in a few words. Here are some great subject line examples. Leave application for 2 days request for sick leave, casual leave request. 15th March, emergency leave, application, medical leave, request, annual leave application. These subject lines are clean, professional, and easy to understand. When your manager sees a subject line like this, they immediately know what the email is about. Now let us practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Leave application, request for sick leave, emergency leave, annual leave. Excellent. You are doing great. Part 2. The greeting. A greeting is how you begin your email. It sets the tone. Always use a professional greeting when writing to your manager, teacher, or HR department. Here are the most common and correct greetings. Dear Mr. Ahmed, dear Ms. Priya, dear sir, dear ma'am, dear hiring manager, dear HR team, respected sir, respected ma'am. Now, one very common mistake that many learners make is writing dear sir or madam when they actually know the person's name. If you know the name, always use it. It sounds more personal and respectful. Another mistake is writing hello boss or hi manager. This is too informal. In a professional email, always stick to dear or respected. Repeat after me. Dear Mr. Ahmed, respected ma'am, dear sir, dear HR team, well done. Keep going. Part 3, the opening sentence. This is where you state the purpose of your email immediately. Do not waste time. Do not write 3 sentences before getting to the point. Your reader is busy. Be direct, but polite. Here are powerful opening sentences you can use. I am writing to request a leave of absence from work. I would like to apply for sick leave for 2 days. I am writing to inform you that I will be unable to attend work due to a personal emergency. I would like to request permission to take a day off on Friday, the 20th. I am writing to apply for annual leave from Monday to Wednesday. I respectfully request a medical leave for 3 days starting from tomorrow. These sentences are clear, professional, and get straight to the point. Choose the one that matches your situation. Now let us practice. Repeat after me. I am writing to request a leave of absence. I am writing to request a leave of absence. I would like to apply for sick leave. I would like to apply for sick leave. I respectfully request a medical leave. I respectfully request a medical leave. I am writing to inform you that I will be unable to attend. I am writing to inform you that I will be unable to attend. You are reading this so well. Keep practicing. Part 4. The main body. This is where you give the details. You explain the reason, the dates, and any arrangements you have made. Keep it clear and honest. You do not need to share too many personal details, just enough to explain your situation professionally. Here are some important phrases for the main body. For sick leave, I have been experiencing a high fever and my doctor has advised me to rest for 2 days. Due to a sudden illness, I am unable to come to work today and tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday morning and will need the full day off. I am currently unwell and have been prescribed bed rest for 3 days. For personal or family reasons, due to a family emergency, I will not be able to attend work on the 18th and 19th. I need to attend an important family function in my hometown this weekend. I have a personal matter that requires my immediate attention. There is a family event that I am required to attend on Friday. For travel or annual leave, I would like to take my annual leave from the 5th to the 10th of April. I am planning a short trip and would like to request 5 days of leave. I have some personal travel planned and would like to use my remaining leave days. For covering your work, I have informed my colleague Sarah to handle my tasks during my absence. All my pending work has been completed before my leave. I will be available on my phone in case of any urgent matters. I have handed over my responsibilities to my team member before leaving. These phrases are gold. Save them. Use them. They will make your emails look polished and professional every single time. Part 5. The closing. This is how you end your email. A strong closing shows respect and professionalism. It also tells the reader what you expect from them. Here are the best closing phrases. I hope you will consider my request and grant me the leave. I would be grateful if my request is approved at the earliest. I request you to kindly approve my leave application. I look forward to your positive response. Please let me know if you need any further information. Thank you for your understanding and support. I appreciate your time and consideration. And then end with a sign-off like this. Warm regards, sincerely, best regards, respectfully, yours faithfully. Then write your full name and your job title or class below. Now, let me show you 2 complete sample emails so you can see exactly how everything fits together. Sample email 1, sick leave. Subject, sick leave request for 2 days. Dear Mr. Johnson, I am writing to inform you that I am unwell and have been advised by my doctor to take complete bed rest for 2 days. Due to this sudden illness, I will not be able to attend work on the 14th and 15th of March. I have informed my colleague David to manage my urgent tasks during my absence. I will also be available on my phone for any important matters. I kindly request you to approve my leave for these 2 days. I will resume work on the 16th of March. Thank you for your understanding. Warm regards, Sarah Kahn, Marketing Executive. This email is short, clear, professional, and respectful. Every part is in the right place. The manager can read it in 30 seconds and understand everything. Sample email 2, annual leave or vacation. Subject, annual leave application, 1st to 7th April. Respected ma'am, I would like to apply for annual leave from the 1st to the 7th of April for personal travel. I have completed all my pending assignments before this period and have arranged for my colleague to handle any urgent matters during my absence. I have been with the company for 2 years and have not taken any long leave this year. I hope you will kindly consider and approve my request. I look forward to your positive response. Please let me know if you require any additional information. Sincerely, Ravi Sharma, Software Developer. Again, this email is professional, organized, and gives all the necessary information without being too long or too detailed. Now let us do our practice section. This is my favorite part of every lesson because this is where the real learning happens. I want you to say these phrases out loud. Do not just read them with your eyes. Use your voice. That is how you build confidence. Shadowing practice. I will say the phrase, then you repeat it. Ready? I am writing to request a leave of absence. Now you say it. I am writing to request a leave of absence. I would like to apply for sick leave for 2 days. Now you. I would like to apply for sick leave for 2 days. I have a personal matter that requires my immediate attention. Now you. I have a personal matter that requires my immediate attention. I will be available on my phone for any urgent matters. Now you. I will be available on my phone for any urgent matters. I kindly request you to approve my leave application. Now you. I kindly request you to approve my leave application. Thank you for your understanding and support. Now you. Thank you for your understanding and support. Excellent. You just practiced 6 professional email phrases. That is amazing. Every time you practice out loud, you are building your brain's confidence to use these phrases naturally. Let us now talk about some very common mistakes that people make when writing leave emails. Understanding these mistakes will help you avoid them. Mistake 1. Being too vague. Wrong. I need a leave. Correct. I would like to request 2 days of sick leave from the 10th to the 11th of March. Always give the dates. Always mention the type of leave. Always be specific. Mistake 2. Being too informal. Wrong. Hey boss, I am sick today, so I won't come. Correct. Dear Mr. Ahmed, I am writing to inform you that I am unwell and will be unable to attend work today. Your tone matters. Even in a digital message, professionalism counts. Mistake 3. Forgetting to mention when you will return. Wrong. I need 3 days off. Correct. I would like to request leave from the 5th to the 7th of April. I will resume work on the 8th of April. Always tell your manager when you are coming back. This shows responsibility. Mistake 4. Writing too much unnecessary information. Wrong. I have been sick since Sunday, and I had a headache and then fever, and then my throat started hurting, and I tried medicine, but it did not work, and my mother also got sick last week. Correct. I have been experiencing a fever, and my doctor has advised complete rest for 2 days. Keep it professional. Give just enough information. Not too little, not too much. Mistake 5. Forgetting to proofread. Always read your email once before sending. Check for spelling mistakes. Check the dates. Check the name of the person you are writing to. One small error can make a big difference in how people see you. Now let us talk about cultural tips that will help you write better emails no matter which country you are in. In many Asian and Middle Eastern cultures, showing respect to authority is very important. Words like respected sir or kindly approve are natural and acceptable. Use them. In Western countries and some European offices, emails tend to be a little more direct and less formal. Dear Mr. Johnson or Hi Sarah are both acceptable depending on your relationship with the person. In academic settings around the world, always use formal language. Your professor is not your friend in an email. Treat the communication with full respect. No matter where you are, never write an email when you are angry or stressed. Always write calmly and professionally. Let us now talk about real-life application. Here are 4 real scenarios where you will need to write a leave email. Scenario 1. You woke up with a fever. You need to take a sick day. Write a quick email to your manager before 9 a.m. Use the sick leave template we practiced today. Keep it under 100 words. Send it. Scenario 2. Your child has a school event next Friday and you want to attend. Send a request email to your HR department asking for a half day off. Mention the date, the reason briefly, and assure them your work will be managed. Scenario 3. You have been working hard all year and you want to take a week's vacation. Write an annual leave application with the dates. Mention that all work has been handed over and request approval. Scenario 4. You have a medical test booked for Tuesday morning. You need 2 hours late arrival. Write a short email informing your supervisor and requesting permission. All 4 of these are real situations. All 4 require the skills we practiced today. And now you have them. I want to say something directly to you right now. You are more capable than you think. Writing in English can feel scary. I understand that. But every expert was once a beginner. Every confident English speaker once made the same mistakes you are afraid of making. The only difference between someone who struggles and someone who succeeds is consistency. Showing up every day. Practicing a little bit every day. Reading 1 email. Writing 1 sentence. Saying 1 phrase out loud. That is how fluency is built. Not overnight, but day by day. You have already taken a huge step today by choosing to learn. That says a lot about who you are. You are someone who takes responsibility, someone who wants to grow, and that is exactly the kind of person who will succeed. So do not let fear stop you. Write that email today. Even if it is not perfect, send it. Learn from it. Improve. And the next one will be better. And the one after that will be even better. You have got this. I believe in you completely. Let us do a quick summary and revision of everything we learned today. Every leave email has 5 parts: the subject line, the greeting, the opening sentence, the main body, and the closing. Your subject line should be short and clear. Examples: leave application for 2 days, request for sick leave, emergency leave application. Your greeting should be professional. Dear Mr. Ahmed, respected ma'am, dear sir. Your opening sentence should state the purpose immediately. I am writing to request a leave of absence. I would like to apply for sick leave. Your main body should include the reason, the dates, and how your work will be managed during your absence. Your closing should show respect and appreciation. I kindly request you to approve my leave. Thank you for your understanding. I look forward to your positive response. Always proofread before sending. Always be polite and specific. Always mention when you will return. And the most important thing of all, practice every day. Now here is your challenge for today. Write 1 leave application email right now. It can be for sick leave, a personal day, or an annual vacation. Use the structure and phrases from this lesson. Write it in the comments below. I will read your email and give you feedback. This is your chance to practice in a real, supportive environment. There is no judgment here, only learning and growth. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps more people around the world find this lesson and improve their English. Share this video with a friend or colleague who needs to write better emails. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. New lessons come every week. Grammar, speaking, writing, vocabulary, confidence building, everything you need to communicate in English like a professional. Thank you so much for being here today. You are an amazing learner. Now go and write that email. You are ready. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep practicing.